Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician. Come back at you this week with some more wonderful information. Today we're talking about the way my dryer and washer doors swing open. Are they reversible? The quick answer to that is most dryers are reversible. Not all washers are reversible, and I'll show you what I'm talking about, okay? We'll start with this LG dryer, okay? This door is reversible. The easiest way to tell is, do I have the same set of screws on both sides? You see how these two are hanging out here doing basically nothing? That tells me that this door is reversible, okay? So I can, instead of opening this way, I can move it to turn over this way, okay? Now, let's go to the GE here, okay? Now the GE, basically the same thing. If you see this, obviously you can't see the screws, but this is a cutout. So that means you take that off, the door is reversible. Okay? Now let's go over here to the Maytag. Okay, let's see if it is. Okay? See, if you look at it, it basically is. All these screws, they line up. You can reverse the door. Now, it's more than just taking the door, turning it upside down, and plugging it in. There is a little more to it than that. If you're reasonably mechanically inclined, it's not hard to do. If you're not, you don't want to do it. Now, let's get into washers. Okay? If we look at this, okay, you see how we were talking about the screws being equal on both sides? This door is not reversible. Okay? It's not. It's only can open, that's the only way it can open. So you got to look at that when you're actually buying your unit. Okay? Now let's check out the GE over here. Okay? This GE, okay, if I can open the door right, okay, tells me I can probably reverse that because you see my knockout here is over here, which means it should be reversible. If you don't see the same screws on both sides, it's not reversible. Most of your washers aren't reversible on your front loads, but some are. So do your homework if you want to make sure they open certain directions, because sometimes the water's on the left, sometimes the water's on the right. You may not know what you've got, so pay attention when you do that. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and come back next week for some more wonderful information. Have a good day.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.